To get started, go to falconpasswordsignup.daytonastate.edu to begin the enrollment wizard. Enter your DSC email in the first name _ last name format and select Next. You will be forwarded to the DSC login page. Enter your DSC password and select Sign In. On the More Information Required screen, select Next to set up your authentication methods. You are then prompted to set up your authentication methods. You are first prompted to set up the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Select Next. Select Next on the Set Up Your Account screen. You will see the QR code screen. Stay on the screen and go to the next step. On your phone, open the Microsoft Authenticator app. Select the menu in the upper right corner and then select Add Account. Select Work or School Account, then select Scan a QR code. The app will open a screen for scanning the code. Scan the QR code on your computer screen with your phone to register your account with the app. On your computer, select Next on the QR code screen. A test notification will be sent to your phone. On your phone, tap Approve. You will then need to provide your device password or biometric sign-in. On your computer, click Next on the Notification Approved screen. You will then be prompted to set up the phone method.